Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Alma Lasso 28, and happy Friday! And today I'm gonna do my CVS haul. So I just want to inform you, it's been a month that I'm not doing this one. So this is a chance again, okay? So I have a challenge for myself. So it's like I only have like $10 extra bucks. So I just want to show it to you how I use it well and how I budgeted everything, okay? So let's start now and let's go. So for this scenario, I have a challenge for myself. I only have $8 extra bucks, okay? So I have two transactions. This is my first transaction. Then I'm gonna show it to you my second transaction later on once I'm done with this one, okay? So let's jump in. So let's do it first for the Kotex and for the CVS panty liner. So this is the breakdown. All right. So if you're gonna buy a Kotex for two, you're gonna get the $2 extra bucks. So I have this CRT that I have to buy three, any liner, all right, or any pads, and I'm gonna get $3 off, okay? So what I did, I chose the cheapest liner, which is the CVS liner, okay? It's only $1.49. So is the total of the three is $9.49, and I have a $3 insert coupon which I got it from the Sunday newspaper. Plus, as what I've said, I have a $3 CRT and it come out of $3.49. I have a $2 extra box. So the total that I'm gonna pay is $1.49. But remember, I'm also have an app for the coupon.com, which they're giving a $3 coupon, a digital coupon, okay, which is, I think it's amazing. And this $3, it goes straight to my PayPal. All right, so everything's free. Plus, I have a money maker of $1.51, and it's amazing. The next great deal is for the all detergent. Okay, so fortunately, I got $2 each insert coupon from the Sunday newspaper. So this is what deal that I did. It's a $2.99. But it says there's I'm gonna only get a $1 from manufacturer's coupon, but fortunately it's $2 each, okay? So it's like I only got this for 99 cents each. There's no any extra box, but it's a great deal. So where you gonna find a 99 cents detergent? All right, for the next one, let's do this one first. This is a CVS wipes, okay, and it's flashable, and this is one of my favorite. I'm always buying this one and bringing with me all the time every time I'm traveling, okay? This one is worth $2.79. Fortunately, I have a dollar digital coupon, so I only pay for this one for $1.79. And for the Crest toothpaste deal, so for three of this one, okay, I got this kind of deal. And it's on sale, it's $3.99. All right, and for more clear breakdown, okay, I'll show it to you this one, okay? So when you buy three, you're gonna get a $5 extra box. So $3.99 is equal to $11.97 for three, okay? So I have an insert coupon which is $1, and there's a digital coupon also for $2. So I pay only $8.97, but remember I have a $5 extra box. So it's like I'm paying $3.97. I love Crest, which is so amazing. Remember, the Crest toothpaste is under the company of P&G. So I still have this kind of bonus or points that I will get it, okay? And then I'll just gonna take a picture and it will goes to my balance and it adds on. So if you decided to redeem it and you have a lot of points already, this is how it looks like, okay? There's a lot of option, all right? It's like, this is a sweepstakes, okay? All right, you can do it that one, and you can do it a gift card. And there's another sweepstakes for NFL. And if you want to donate it, okay, another sweepstakes. And then there's another digital subscription. Okay, so there's a lot of benefits that you can get it from PNG. First of all, they have a great deal all the time every week. And then secondly, they have a lot of coupons. And then thirdly, and you can do this kind of points. Okay, so for the next deal again is for PNG company. All right, and then this is how the breakdown looks like. All right, let me show it to you first. What's the deal for this week, which is this one, the scope, and then the Oral-B toothbrush. Okay, if you buy two, you're gonna get $3 extra bucks, which is, this is as what I've said, is the breakdown. So $3.99 each, which is on sale for this week, and the total of it is $7.98. Then you're gonna less all the insert and digital coupon, and it will come out of $5.98. But remember, I have $3 extra bucks, so it's gonna be $2.98. So it's like I'm paying $1.49 each. Okay, and as what I've said earlier, I'm gonna get some points. It's like 50 points for each items if it is a PNG product. So PNG's products are really fantastic. They're always giving us every week a good deal, good coupons from head to toe. Okay, so the total savings I got from this first transaction, and here we go, is $49.93, which is 83%. So look at this one, how much I pay for everything. It's $10.66. But remember, I have $5 extra bucks, I have $3 extra bucks, and $2 extra bucks. Okay, so it means I have $10 extra bucks for my next transaction, which it's like I paid off everything. All right, so I only like pay 66 cents for this one. Okay, so let's go for my second transaction. And here we go for my second transaction. I only have 4 items, and you know how much I pay for that one? It's only 77 cents. Plus, I didn't use everything for my extra bucks. Remember, I still have 10 extra bucks from my first transaction, okay? And I only used $5 extra bucks for this transaction. This is the deal that I did for L'Oreal. You buy 2 and it only costs $8. And remember, I have a $3 CRT from the red box. All right, and then of course I also have a $3 digital coupon. It's like I only pay $2 for both of it. It means it's like $1 each. Okay, so it's amazing deal for this shampoo, and I love this shampoo. It really works on my hair and it smells so good. And for the Palmolive, okay, this is on sale. It's only $1.99. I have a 25 cents coupon, which is from my app, which is a great deal also. And for the Snuggle, it's on sale also. It's $2.99 only, and I have a $1 digital coupon. So remember, as what I've said, I only pay 77 cents, and this is the receipt. Did you see that one? All right, so everything, this is my coupon, and I only use the $5 extra bucks, and it's 77 cents only. And once again, guys, I'm really happy for this comeback of mine. Okay guys, a piece of advice: if you feel depressed, if you feel so stressful, or you're having a problem with your financial thing regarding the budget in the household, why don't you try doing this kind of coupons? Okay, I just want to challenge you. So the first thing that you're gonna do is have an extra care card from CVS. Then second, approach the cashier in CVS and ask for the Care Pass. So the first month of the Care Pass is free. And then they gonna give you a $10 extra bucks from the Care Pass, okay? This $10, you're gonna get it every month. For the second month for having the Care Pass, you only pay $5, but they gonna give you $10 extra bucks monthly. Remember, you only pay $5, but you will enjoy the $10 extra bucks monthly, okay? Watch my video all the time so that every week you have an idea which one you're gonna get it, and then it's gonna be cheap, or you're gonna get it free, or you're gonna get a money maker, okay? So if you have any question, just comment down below and I will definitely answer you. And I hope you like this video for this week, and I love you guys, and I hope you stay positive all the time. And by the way, please subscribe to my video and give me a thumbs up again, and share to everybody, okay? And once again, I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you next week, okay?